great wall oven makes cooking easier, saves space, and upgrades the entire flow of your kitchen. Today, I'm ranking the 8 best wall ovens of 2026, from budget-friendly single ovens to premium double oven models packed with smart features. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 8, the Cosmos C5-1EIX. True European convection uses a dedicated heating element around the convection fan, which heats the circulated air before it enters the oven cavity. The result is more even cooking at lower temperatures in less time compared to standard ovens that simply fan the ambient air. For bakers and roasters who care about consistency across the entire oven rack, the difference is noticeable and measurable. The 8 specialized cooking functions — conventional, convection with fan, small broiler, double grill with fan, bottom heater, defrost, and oven lamp — cover the full range of cooking techniques in a 2.5 cubic foot cavity. The auto safety shutoff and cavity cooling system address the safety concerns that wall oven placement near cabinetry creates. The triple-layer door keeps exterior surfaces safely cool during operation. For buyers who want European convection quality in a compact 24-inch format at a competitive price, the Cosmos C5-1EIX is a solid entry point. Number 7 is the Gasland 24-inch gas wall oven. Gas wall ovens occupy a niche that many buyers don't realize exists. Most wall oven discussions assume electric, but gas delivers the immediate, responsive heat that cooks prefer for stovetop cooking, and some bakers specifically prefer gas oven moisture characteristics for certain bread and pastry applications. The Gasland runs on natural gas with a 120-volt standard cord for the electric igniter, making installation more approachable than hardwired electric alternatives. The 6 cooking modes — broil, bake, rotisserie, convection rotisserie, and light — cover the essential cooking functions with a temperature range of 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The 5-shelf rack system and 2.12 cubic foot capacity handle standard family cooking volumes. The package includes a rotisserie set and 2 flat oven racks. For buyers committed to gas cooking who want a wall oven format without converting to electric, the Gasland is the pick on this list that addresses that specific need. At number 6, the Coolmore Reserve built-in microwave oven. The 3-in-1 cooking technology addresses a kitchen design challenge that many homeowners face: how to add microwave capability alongside oven capability without multiple separate appliances consuming counter or cabinet space. The Coolmore Reserve combines all 3 functions in a single built-in footprint, covering bake, broil, roast, crisp, and reheat across a temperature range of 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The 1,400 revolutions per minute convection fan delivers even heat distribution for baking and roasting, and the air fry function produces crispy results without excessive oil. The CSA certification confirms the unit meets stringent safety standards for built-in installation. The 3-year warranty covering parts and labor is the strongest manufacturer coverage on this list by a significant margin. Most wall ovens carry 1-year warranties. For buyers who want to consolidate a microwave, oven, and air fryer into a single built-in appliance, the Coolmore is the functional solution. Number 5 is the Impava built-in electric single-wall oven. The black ceramic interior is the standout cleaning advantage. Ceramic resists staining and wipes clean without the scrubbing that enamel interiors sometimes require. Hidden heating elements eliminate the hard-to-reach areas around exposed elements that trap food debris. The triple-layer glass window keeps heat in and steam out, while halogen lighting provides a clear interior view without opening the door. The broil element with the keep warm function covers the 2 specific end-of-cooking scenarios that most ovens handle poorly: achieving a golden finish on dishes and holding finished food at serving temperature without overcooking. The 120-minute programmable timer with delay bake enables scheduled cooking that doesn't require you to be present at the start of the cooking cycle. For buyers building an Impava kitchen setup or who want a clean, practical single electric wall oven at a mid-range price, the Impava delivers. At number 4, the Vicchio Home Single Wall Oven. The 2.83 cubic foot, 80-liter capacity is the practical differentiator at this tier. When you're cooking a whole chicken, a large roast, or multiple baking trays simultaneously, that 17% additional space is the difference between everything fitting and having to cook in batches. The three-dimensional 360-degree hot air circulation with 3 high-efficiency heating elements and a 2,420 to 3,220 watt power range delivers the rapid preheating and even cooking results that true convection systems promise. The triple-layer removable tempered glass door handles both heat insulation and cleaning access. The mechanical knob controls provide straightforward operation without touchscreen complexity. The 120-minute programmable timer adds scheduling convenience. Standard 24-inch cutout dimensions with a 240-volt hardwired connection integrate into existing cabinet configurations cleanly. The bronze medal goes to the AMZ Chef 24-inch single-wall oven. The upgraded rotating grill fork with top and bottom heating elements delivers even, consistent heat distribution around a rotating subject, which produces genuinely superior results for whole roasted chicken, ribs, and large cuts compared to static oven cooking, where one side always faces the heat element. Precise temperature control across a 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit range covers everything from gentle warming to high-temperature grilling in a single appliance. The 2.65 cubic foot capacity handles family-scale cooking volumes with room for multiple dishes simultaneously. The 5 baking modes with knob controls provide straightforward operation, temperature and function adjustment without navigating a touchscreen interface. The enamel inner liner simplifies cleaning significantly. The smooth, non-porous surface releases food residue without the intensive scrubbing that standard oven interiors require. The removable door and premium tempered glass handle, both cleaning access and heat management. Number 2 is the Thermomate 24-inch electric wall oven. 12 cooking modes cover the full spectrum of cooking techniques: defrost, keep warm, bake, broil high, turbo, convection roast, convection bake, and convection broil. High, convection, warm, grill, rotisserie broil high, and light. The sensor probe that precisely monitors internal food temperature is the feature that most home cooks don't know they need until they have it, and then can't cook without it. Rather than relying on timing estimates or manual probing, the temperature monitoring system tells you exactly when the internal temperature of meat, poultry, or fish reaches your target, eliminating the guesswork that produces overcooked roasts and undercooked chicken. The powerful convection system circulates heated air over, under, and around food for rapid preheating and even cooking. For buyers who want maximum cooking mode, versatility, and sensor probe temperature monitoring in a 24-inch electric wall oven, the Thermomate is the definitive choice in its category. And the best wall oven of 2026 is the Frigidaire Gallery GCWD 3067AF. The double oven configuration is the foundation of what makes this pick exceptional. 2 independent oven cavities allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously at different temperatures, the fundamental limitation of single oven cooking that home cooks work around constantly, without realizing how much easier 2 independent ovens make holiday meals, dinner parties, and everyday multi-course cooking. 15 cooking modes cover every technique a home cook needs, and several they probably haven't tried yet: air fry, slow cook, convection roast, bake element, and 11 more. The skip preheat function is a genuine time saver that adds up across hundreds of cooking sessions. For time-pressed households where every minute matters on a weeknight dinner, this feature changes your relationship with the oven. For buyers who want the most capable wall oven available, the one that, as our testers put it, will literally do everything for you, the Frigidaire Gallery GCWD 3067AF is the answer. Number 1. That's the 8 best wall ovens of 2026 ranked. Links are in the description with updated pricing. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest appliance reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.